How to fix your car with AUTODOC CLUB. Want to learn how to repair your car with your own hands and save money on professional repair services? With AUTODOC CLUB, anyone can master car repairs. Become a member and you'll get 24/7 access to the largest free online library of useful materials. AUTODOC CLUB offers step-by-step car repair instructions, life hacks and tips from the professionals, maintenance expense statistics for your car, a calendar for important events, a blog with insightful articles on car-related topics, a forum for communicating with other car enthusiasts. AUTODOC CLUB is always there for you. Thousands of repair manuals for almost every popular car model. If you can't find the right one, make a request and we'll prepare a tutorial specially for you. You're sure to get to grips with our tutorials as they're simple and detailed. Any questions? Contact us and get quick feedback from AUTODOC specialists. AUTODOC CLUB. Video tutorials from professionals. Over 3,000 video tutorials. The simplest and most practical way to explain all the small details of car part replacement. Find the right tutorial by searching by the name of the part or brand of your car. Watch the videos and learn from the best technicians. AUTODOC CLUB. All important car-related information on your smartphone. Start using the online log. Add your car to the virtual garage and enter all its details. Regularly record the latest information on the mileage, refuelings and replacements, and you'll get up-to-date expense statistics and expert advice on maintaining your vehicle. Upload photos of receipts, save the contact info of verified garages, and mark events in your calendar. With AUTODOC CLUB, you won't forget about the most important things. AUTODOC CLUB. Everything you need to know about repairing cars.